Question 2. Determine whether each of the following graphs is a function by using a vertical line test. Okay, so a vertical line test is us drawing a vertical line like this, and then you check how many points this vertical line intersect. So at this point, it only intersects 1 point. If we move the vertical line here, it also only intersects at 1 point. Okay. 1 point here. If we move across this graph, it only intersects at 1 point. So if it only intersects it at 1 point, that means this is a function. Okay, I use this. Okay, this is a function. Let's bring this vertical line over here. Okay, so at this point, it only intersects at 1 point right here. And then we move this vertical line here, all intersect at 1 point. Once it reaches here, here it will intersect at 1, 2, 3 points. That means one object has 3 different images. So this is a one-to-many function. So this is not a function. Okay, it failed the vertical line test. Vertical line test means it must only intersect at 1 point, not 3. Okay, we bring the vertical line here, all 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, it only intersects at 1 point here. And then we bring all the way here, everywhere, so it only intersects at 1 point. So this passed the vertical line test. This is a function. Okay. Question 3. By using the function notation, express h in terms of x for each of the following arrow diagrams. Okay, so here we have to express the function. So let's switch off this dotted line. Okay. So 2 becomes 1 over 2, 3 becomes 1 over 3, and 5 becomes 1 over 5. So this function hx will equal to 1 divided by x. Okay, so this is our x. Our hx is 1 divided by x. 1 divided by x. 1 divided by x. So this is our function 1 over x. Question B. Negative 5 becomes 5. 5 also becomes 5. Negative 4 and 4 will become 4. So this is a modulus function. So hx is the modulus of x. Because modulus means negative and positive will turn into positive. So if you have negative 5 and 5, both also will become positive 5. Negative 4 and 4 will become positive 4. Okay. C. Negative 3 becomes negative 27. Negative 2 becomes negative 8. 1 becomes 1. 4 becomes 64. This one looks like a cubic function. So it's x cubed. So negative 3, we cube it, we will get negative 27. And same goes for the rest. 1 cube is 1. Okay, so this is our functions. These are our functions. Bye.